Yes, it is 11 p.m. We are in Bergen, and this is Marineholmen Sandstrand. Sandstrand. Marineholmen Sandstrand. So sandy beach. I think this sand is not from Norway, but it was brought from somewhere else because it's super white. And yes, this will be the last swim of the day. And this is the 7th beach I visited today here in Bergen. So yeah, nobody's here on this beach this late, but I guess it's a popular one during the day because it is located very central in Stockholm. Bergen. It's not Stockholm, Bergen. 1 kilometer away from the center approximately. And yeah, it's in a neighborhood area with super modern nice apartment buildings. And it's still, yes, on the North Sea, of course. But this is the canal also connecting two ends of Bergen. All right. So yeah, right now it's 15 degrees Celsius outdoor temperature and feels like temperature of 13 degrees. So a bit chilly. So let's make this swim quick. But yeah, maybe I will come here also tomorrow when it's sunny, so I can get a better perspective of the beach. All right, it's time for the last dip of the day. Let's go. Oh, amazing, beautiful, salty and beautiful. Yes, now the day is fulfilled and we can go and rest and maybe catch a little bit of the sunset at the port. But you can check that view here. It's marvelous and beautiful. So greetings from Marineholmen Sandstrand here in Bergen. Central sandy beach. Probably imported beach from somewhere nice and warm. But yeah, it's nice, and make sure to visit this one if you are visiting Bergen during the summer months and you want a sandy beach. This is the place for you. Have a good one and see you on the next adventure soon.